Hello, welcome back. So, today we are going to prepare this delicious vegan mushroom noodles. You all requested it on my Instagram, so here it is for you all. Let's get started. Heat up a pan, add little bit of olive oil to it. Now I have these white mushrooms, but you can use any mushroom that are available for you. So we are going to cook on each sides for at least 2 minutes or till they get nice and golden. That is really important because we need to cook the mushroom at this point. Now for the sauce, we are going to heat up little bit of oil, add chopped garlic to it, nicely chopped ginger also to it, and then let it cook for till they get very fragrant. Then add brown sugar to it, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a pinch of pepper, a little bit of chili flakes to add that spice. Let it cook nicely. This smells delicious. Now a little bit of white vinegar and soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce should be good enough. And bit of salt. You can adjust the salt because soy sauce is also really sour. Now we add our mushrooms to it. Let it coat nicely. Add a little bit of water because we need a sauce here. We are going to thicken this sauce now. Now prepare the corn flour slurry. It is going to be added in the sauce once the water starts boiling. It will make the sauce nice and glossy. So if you have not yet subscribed, go and hit that button. Now we add the slurry and you have to keep on stirring it after adding this because we don't want any lumps in this sauce. And it is getting this beautiful shine to it. It is so delicious. It smells heavenly right now. It can make you look like pro. मतलब seriously कोई भी आपको seriously ले लेगा अगर आपने ये dish बनाई है. It really gives a nice impact. Now the sauce has been cooking for 2 minutes now and it is all ready. So we'll take it off the heat and prepare our noodles now. Now for the noodles, we are going to heat up some water and it really needs to get nice and boiling before we add the rice noodles. We are using these rice noodles today. You can buy them easily on Amazon or any store. Always season your water. Now once it has got this nice bubbles going on, add the noodles to it. The noodles will need about 5 minutes in this boiling water, so let it be. You can keep on moving, but these noodles are not going to stick like the regular Maggi noodles or any other noodles that we prepare. So the noodles will be ready in 5 minutes and then we are going to start plating our dish. Yeah, now comes the beautiful part. The noodles are ready. Now add on the layer of all this beautiful sauce and mushroom. Add a bit of sesame seed to it. It really gives that nice crunch and nice contrast. And obviously spring onions, my favorite. And voila, it's ready. Enjoy! I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. It is really nice. It is very easy. Very few ingredients required. So get on cooking. And if you like it, please comment, like, share and subscribe. Ask your friends to subscribe. It really helps us. So thank you and I'll see you next time. Bye.